Welcome back, guys. I'm the Vegan Kitty, and welcome to the Vegan Kitty's Kitchen. On the menu, I will be making Hawaiian Huli chicken tacos. Okay, guys, so let's go over these delicious ingredients. You need pineapple juice, brown sugar, ketchup, soy sauce, vegetable broth, freshly grated ginger, minced garlic, plant-based chicken, taco seasoning, and corn tortillas. Now, we're going to top these delicious tacos with pineapple mango avocado salsa. Diced fresh mango, avocado, cilantro, chopped, and lime juice. Okay, first we're going to start with pineapples. And so I'm going to need the chunks to be a little bit smaller, and so I'm going to cut those up. Okay, so next I'm going to add fresh diced mango. So that was added a cup of pineapple, a cup of diced mango. So I'm adding a cup of avocado. Just a minute. So a cup of avocado, half cup of chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, salt. So we're going to mix that together. So now I'm going to start on the chicken. Okay. We're going to start with plant-based chicken. For the chicken, you want to start with a half cup of pineapple juice. You're going to reserve the juice from the pineapples. You're going to do a half cup brown sugar, 6 tablespoons of ketchup, tablespoons of soy sauce, okay, we're going to use 1 1/4 spoon. all those ingredients together. And then we're going to pour it over the chicken. Have it, the Vegan Kitty's Hawaiian Huli chicken tacos. And Huli means to turn hands upwards to beg for food. So thank you guys for watching. I am the Vegan Kitty, and this cat is out.